his friend, studying junior KG, escaped from preschool. And after he taught us for honest day, we need 2 orange color paper, 2 green color paper, circle, object, pencil, scale, scissor, gum, and eyes. First, take a orange color paper. Now take a scissor, object, and pencil. Draw a circle. Now cut it. Be steady. Now take a ruler and pencil. On the center of the circle, draw a line like this. Now cut this. Cut like this. Now paste like this. This is the body of the tortoise. Take a green color paper. It like this. Now draw the tortoise. Now draw the tortoise legs. Now color cells and legs. Now get the tortoise lessons stairs. Take animal green color paper. Draw a line like this. Now draw the tortoise head. And this. Cut like that, a line like this. Cut it. Cut like this. Paste it like that. And this daddy. How the tortoise tail. Cut it. Tortoise tail is ready. Tortoise tail, head, legs, and tortoise body. Paste the eyes. Now tortoise ready. Happy Orange Day. Thank you, ma'am.